Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2006 Kawasaki GPX250. Now this should be exactly the same on a GPX250 all the way from 1988 all the way up to 2007. There's only two tools you're going to need. One is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and the other is your key. So the first thing we're going to do, using our key, just put it down here, above the helmet lock, give that a turn. We're going to remove the seat, take it off, put it somewhere safe. Once the seat's removed, you should be able to find your battery quite easily, just below the tank here. And there's also this plastic tray. We're just going to take that out of the way, like so. And you'll see your positive terminal is on the left-hand side of the bike, and your negative terminal is on the right hand side. So we're just going to go ahead and undo the negative first. Take the screw all the way out and then tuck the cable away like so. Just pop that screw back in just so you don't lose the nut when you pull it out, and then do the same for the positive terminal. So take it all the way out, put the screw back in, making sure that tucks out of the way. And once you've done that, just lift your battery out. It's as easy as that. Now this is a Roadstar and the battery number is CTX7L-BS. So once you have your new battery, just make sure it goes back in the right way. Move the terminals out of the way, slide it all the way in, making sure it goes all the way down. We're going to go ahead, do the positive terminal up first. Making sure the rubber goes back over the terminal. Go ahead, get your negative terminal, pop that back onto the battery. Making sure it's nice and tight. Remember to put your plastic tray back down. Now it's time to put your seat back on. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace your battery on a 2006 GPX250 made by Kawasaki. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos on the GPX or other, and please subscribe.